Hey everybody, so I just rolled into the lake, and for those of you who've been out to the lake, you know we've been having skunk problems, or at least the thought of. And so Teresa went and got some traps, and we set some traps out on Sunday, and we're getting I figured I should come out and at least check them. And it is 4:41 on a Wednesday, and we set them out on Sunday. And I am literally shitting bricks right now because I'm sitting in my car and I can see that there is a skunk in the trap down there, and I don't know what the hell to do, because in case anybody doesn't know, they really stink bad. So wish me luck, because I may have to sleep outside for the next month or so if I get sprayed, and this could get really weird. So I will follow up here and let everybody know how this goes down, because I don't even know what the hell to do with the thing after I am supposedly supposed to pick up the cage and go drown it. Then what do you do with it? Because it still stinks bad. And I'm not in a truck, I am in an SUV. So I don't quite know how I'm supposed to transport a dead skunk up into the woods to drop it off. So please think of me right now, because the next 15 to 20 minutes to a half an hour could drastically change the rest of my life. So anyways, wish me luck. All right, so here's my stick in my bag for the wrapping of the body, or the skunk. And the skunk is right there. It's already dead, looks like. I'm still kind of scared, but luckily I've had COVID, so my sense of smell is not as good as it used to be. But it definitely stinks. I have not gone down there yet, but I will also show you the new predicament we have with our trapping situation. We have also caught a raccoon in the other cage, and so I'm going to attempt to let the raccoon go, but if for some reason it tries to attack me, I'm gonna go Clark W. Griswold, and I'm just gonna whap it in the head, and then we'll be good to go with that. But anyways, just kind of an update on the skunk and trapping situation. We have a huge skunk that looks to be already dead. So again, wish me luck. Okay, so this should be the last of the videos here. I'm just down the road up on somebody else's property. It looks like they're doing a clear cut up here. You can kind of see around me, but I was able to get over the Kelly humps in the old SUV. So we've got the product right there on top of the SUV. So I'm going to get off of here, and I'm going to drop it off, and I'm going to run like a bastard, try to get over these Kelly humps and get home without getting caught. So thank God for masks right now, huh? You know, ain't it a good thing? So thanks everybody for all the support. I think I might make it out of this thing okay if I don't get caught on someone else's property here. So have a good evening. Bye.